Welcome to Coggno Insights, your ultimate guide to forklift certification and OSHA compliance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of forklift certification and OSHA compliance. Let's explore the key points. Forklift certification ensures safety and OSHA compliance, making it essential for a secure workplace. By getting certified, you enhance your employability and improve job safety, benefiting both you and your employer. The certification process involves training, evaluation, and exams, equipping you with the necessary skills and knowledge. OSHA regulations set strict guidelines for forklift operations, ensuring the highest standards of safety. Ongoing training is crucial to stay updated with best practices and comply with changing regulations, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Online certification options provide flexibility and convenience, allowing you to learn at your own pace and access comprehensive training resources. That's our ultimate guide to forklift certification and OSHA compliance. Take the first step towards a safer workplace by visiting Coggno.com for comprehensive training resources. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Coggno Insights for more valuable content. Stay safe and keep excelling. See you next time.